This video will introduce two effective methods for exporting WhatsApp messages to Excel, featuring professional software and WhatsApp's built-in export feature. Part 1. Export WhatsApp messages to Excel by Coolmuster Android WhatsApp Recovery. Step 1. Download and open the software on your computer. Connect your Android device to your computer using a USB cable. Step 2. Once connected, select your device on the interface and click Next to start scanning your WhatsApp data. Step 3. Follow the on-screen instructions to enable end-to-end encryption on the WhatsApp app. The software will then automatically input the code. Click View it to access your WhatsApp data. Step 4. Select the WhatsApp messages and click Recover to Computer. Your WhatsApp chats will then be saved on your computer in the form of an HTML file or CSV file, which you can easily access using a browser. Step 5. Open the file in Excel or Google Sheets. Save it as a XLSX file for easy management and analysis. Part 2. Export WhatsApp messages to Excel via exporting chat. Step 1. Select the WhatsApp chat you want to export. Step 2. Tap the menu button 3 dots More Export Chat. Step 3. Decide whether to export with media or without media. Step 4. Save the exported text file to your email, Google Drive, or local storage. Step 5. Download the text file to your computer. Step 6. Open Excel and use the text import wizard to split text into columns. Save the formatted file as a XLSX.